you're not coming back. No, I was never told